These men are making biomass from twigs and branches that would previously have been discarded by the forestry industry. But today, this one-time waste will be used to provide heat and hot water for homes in the Lithuanian capital Vilnius. The company that produces the Lithuanian biomass recently took part in a project backed by the European Union's Intelligent Energy Europe program. The scheme, called 5 EURES, brought together biomass producers and users from across the EU.
Bionaus kompanija nusprendė dalyvauti projekte 3 metai atgal. Tuo metu mūsų įmonė kaip tik kūrė savo biokuro tiekimo sistemą. Mes turėjom kitus verslus ir per 3 metus dalyvaudavo projekte kartu su 5 ES šalimis, partneriais projekte. Mes sugebėjom pasiekti to, kad dabar esame pati didžiausia kompanija užsiimanti biokuro perdirbimu. Ir tuo pačiu sugebėjom pritraukti per 5 metus pačią pažangiausią patirtį, kurį naudojame ES šalyse, kaip Suomijoje, Vokietijoje.
Biomass is carbon neutral. When it's burned, it only releases back into the atmosphere carbon dioxide that was removed when the plants it is made from were growing. Using modern biomass heating systems could make a serious contribution to the EU's efforts to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions. Heating in the EU today uses almost as much energy as the transport and electricity sectors put together. When the biomass from the forest arrives at this energy plant, it's channeled into this huge boiler, where it's burned to provide heat and hot water for Vilnius's residents. The Intelligent Energy Europe program is also trying to encourage individuals to use biomass heating. The Biohousing project promotes modern biomass technologies like this energy cabin, which contains a boiler and a storage area for fuel, either wood chips or pellets, and which can be easily connected to a household heating system. Jean-Paul Galland sells energy cabins.
Si la famille a 2 ou 3 enfants et qu'elle est déjà un petit peu juste au point de vue habitat, elle peut se dire, plutôt que de consacrer un certain volume du sous-sol, par exemple, au stock, au silo, aux plaquettes, on va le mettre à l'extérieur. Tant qu'à faire, si on met le silo à l'extérieur, autant mettre la chaudière avec. Bon, et à ce moment-là, on va gagner une surface supplémentaire.
Biomass also offers an opportunity to develop Europe's rural economies. Thanks to financial help from the national authorities and the European Union, and advice from an Intelligent Energy Europe scheme called Agri for Energy, Slovenian farmer Stani Koshir was able to buy this new equipment and begin transforming low-quality wood grown on his land into valuable biomass.
Заради тega, ker to je edina prihodnost za kmeta, samo živinoreje je to premalo in sva se odločila še kot dopolnilna dejavnost na kmetiji. Pred leti je žena izgubila službo in pač so oba na kmetiji in pač se bo s tem ukvarjala zdaj naprej.
Biomass is certainly no magical solution to the EU's energy problems, but used wisely, it could seriously help the Union to turn up the heat on climate change.